No, it's not coming correct. Can you see, like, admin is coming many a times, CCD is coming many a times. So the first prerequisite is the sort. You have to first sort the department. So you have to say remove all and sort it.
Okay, that looks better.
Yeah. Now if you go to 2, 3, you'll be able to see.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. Now, if I want for multiples, so you can check on them, like suppose for net, gross, and the salary. So you can go to subtotal and choose multiple things. So click on subtotal.
Should I clear it first and then do it?
No, you can do in existing also. So you can check multiple columns.
And what do you want me to do?
I want for basically the basic, the gross, and the net.
Not entirely sure what that did.
Uh, okay, not this way. So let's basically let's go to the subtotal again. Yeah, click on OK. You don't have to change at each change in. At each change in means like department. So I want department only. So choose department, and in the sum you can choose multiple. So if you can, no, it's fine. It's sum. Use sum only, and from below column choose select them. First of all, why it is I think little messed up. So just say remove all. We'll do again. I'll show you. Hmm. So just say remove all. Yeah. Once more. Once more say remove all. Again go to subtotal. I think it's been. Yeah. Now go to subtotal. Yeah. At each change in department. Now choose gross, net, and salary. Choose salary as well. Yeah. Perfect. Hmm. So you got for multiple. This I was telling you. So you got the sum for gross also, salary also, and net also. Now if you go to number two, if you go to number two, now it is there.
Okay.
Hmm. So let's come back to basically the normal. You can remove all. Okay, so there are two ways of doing the subtotal. One is using this option, fine. Other is like, you can apply the formula also. So keep the cursor on cell H1, and over here write equal to subtotal. There's a formula also. So type equal to subtotal. Yeah. And now from the list, it start giving you the number. So we want a sum. So we'll choose 9. Yeah. And it will show you the number if you double click. You have to double click on it. So once it's, you have to remove, yeah, 9 comma, and now choose the salary range.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Close the bracket. Yeah. Now, what's the basically advantage? So we got this figure for the total salary, which is coming 874900. Now, if you filter anything from top, like suppose if you filter department sales, so just go and filter for department sales.
Hmm.
So what will happen? It will keep changing the figure. So people do this also a lot. So what happens is, the figure keep on changing. Is it clear, Monik?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. So if you filter any a thing, like if you just unfilter, if you just unfilter, and if you basically like I want to see how much basically like we are giving a salary greater than 40,000. So you can go to the salary column as well and filter for greater than 40,000. Yeah. And now basically, if you can just filter the salary again, yeah, and say select all. Hmm. Now apply on first name the using the subtotal formula, the count. So I want to see the count also. So apply the subtotal formula and use the formula like I want to count. Now if you filter like suppose admin,
Where?
I'll just filter for admin.
Oh. There we go.
Yeah. So now the count will also keep on changing. Have you seen that? Fine. So
Yep.
for the admin people, we are the 10 employees are there, and the salary we are giving 85. it's like 8500 and 00. Is it clear? So people
Yes.
generally apply using the subtotal formula also. Hmm. And and you see the count.
Nice.
Nice, you liked it?
Yeah.
So keep on changing. Okay, so in this you have many formulas like sum, average, max, min, count. And this formula can be applied anywhere, not in this sheet, it can be in other sheet also. So if you are filtering over here, your data can be changed. It's not, you can apply anywhere. Okay.
So if I like went to another sheet and just referenced like one of these subtotals, it would change with this. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, yeah. But
Okay.
basically, like as we are filtering it, so the logic make more sense if we are doing on the same sheet. So anywhere in the same sheet you can.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you can remove the filter, so we have seen three, four things. We have seen filter, we have seen custom sort, and now we have seen the subtotal both the ways, either through option and through basically formula also. Are we good till this point?
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now, like I want to color wherever it is a trip. I want to color them red. What is the option?
That conditional formatting. And where do you want it read?
Wherever it is a gift, I want to make them red. Gift, the color
Okay.
more.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Now let's see. There are many options in the conditional formatting. One is like gift and trip. You can do. Let's make trip as blue. Yeah. So you have two options, the fill and the font color. I hope you have seen both. Let's select the employee code.
And you want all of them?
Yeah, select all of them.
Okay.
And now go to home and go to conditional formatting and choose highlight cell rules and choose the duplicate values. Yeah, click on OK. Now what you'll see, if by chance there is a duplicate in data that's been colored, so the employee code 2 been entered twice, 2 and
Mm-hmm.
5. So
Yep.
sometimes it's by mistake, or it's the duplicate data is there, then this option has been used a lot.
Nice.
So there are two options. One is to highlight and one is to remove duplicates. You know the option? Where's the remove duplicate thing? Do you know that?
Hmm.
Yeah, that's in data. If you go to data, then there's the option of
Oh,
remove
right here.
duplicates. Yeah, this will remove it. This will
Now, will
remove
that
the
remove the
duplicate.
whole row or just the cell?
Just the basically entire row. So just say remove
Okay.
duplicates. Click on it and let's see that. So we'll remember it's a first name Kuldeep there. Fine. So we have two employee code two. Don't select that column. Select the entire data.
Okay. And just go by employee code.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you see the first occurrence is there and below two employee code was there, that's been deleted. Suman is not there. If you scroll down, now you'll see, you know, one
Yeah.
record from below got deleted. You can check that also by conditional formatting. Now if you go and highlight the conditional formatting, you'll see no duplicates there.
Yep.
Fine. Is it okay? So you have to see many a times we only want to highlight them. We want to see. We don't want to delete them. If you wish to delete them, then choose remove duplicates. If you want to color them, then use conditional formatting.
Okay.
Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now select the column H, the salary, and go to the conditional formatting and choose highlight cell rules. Yeah. And choose basically no, sorry. Below the highlight cell rules, there's the option of data bars. Choose the option data bars and choose any color except the red. Choose any option. Yeah. Increase the column width. Increase the column width. The bar graph inside the cell. The highest the value, the highest the bar. Can you see that? If you keep the
Yes.
cursor anywhere else, it will be like, you'll be able to see more. Just keep the cursor anywhere else. Can you see the bar graph?
Yeah.
Microsoft emphasizes a lot on presenting your data graphically. Fine.
Oh,
We have not selected the red bars. Reason, if you make any figure negative, just put a negative sign in any of the figure.
mm,
You'll see the red
okay.
bar onto the left. Fine. If you like, you can try on one more below, one more, any of the salary. Okay. You got? So
Yep.
if you want to show something where you have the positive and the negative numbers, so this is the best way. I hope you're liking it.
I am. I wouldn't like to have a negative salary though. That would not be good.
Yeah, agree with you. We are assuming it's some other number. We are not assuming negative salary. Even I'm also not liking it. So let's remove this. Let's undo this.
Okay.
Yeah,
There we go.
yeah. Now we're liking it. The green bars
Yes.
and the highest bar the most. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to basically the net salary. Go to net,
Okay.
select the entire column, and now go to condition formatting and choose the option icon sets. Yeah, and choose any icons, maybe the first one. It divides the
Okay.
data into three ranges. You will see the icon in the front of each and every value, the green being the highest, red being the lowest, and yellow being the mid.
Okay.
Are you able to see the icons?
Yep.
Now you have to find out what range is been given to green, red, and yellow. It's been written somewhere in the conditional formatting. Find out which is green, which is yellow, and which is red.
All right. Looks like above
Right?
67% is
Percent
green.
is green. Right, fine. So it again, the highest value is 100%. It has divided that range into 33%. Fine. If you want for a specific number, on the right side there's a type, so just make it a number. Yeah, and let's write a range below. Also make it number below, also in the below box. So let's have a range. So we want when the value is greater than, uh, you know 150,000, and then automatically it will take 150,000 and now 100,000. And you can change the mix of the icons also. On the left, can you see the green icon and the drop downs are coming? Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
So if you wish, you can change any other icon also, the combination of icons also. Yeah, click on OK.
Okay.
Yeah. So now it is coming, must be coming according to the slab. So 150,000 must be green. Then between 100,000 and 150,000 must be yellow. And less than 50,000, less than 100,000 must be
Red.
red. Now you can filter on the basis of color as well. If you go to filter now, the option comes filter by color. So it's showing you all. So maybe like overperformer, like performers. You can set any slab.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
great. So if you choose it from there, like if you can just unfilter the data, so clear the data.
Mm-hmm.
Done. Now, if you select the entire column, and go to the conditional formatting and choose the icon sets. And if you select these four arrows, so it will divide the range into four. uh, The four, yeah. So these are the five. So if you divide into four, the four slabs. If you divide into five, the five slabs, and so on.
Okay.
Okay.
And can you like make your own if you wanted to go even more than that?
No, so the maximum is five,
Okay.
and yeah, you can do the customization in the range, but not in the icons.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you see in the ratings also, you can use the last one. The icon sets you have the option of ratings. Can you see? Just go to conditional formatting, icon
Oh,
sets,
okay.
and in icons, the last one, the ratings and the quarters, everything is there. So the maximum is of the five slabs.
Okay. Gotcha.
Oh, right. Half, I think selection. Yeah. Now wait. Perfect. Okay. Let's go to the next sheet, which is logical function. Yeah. Okay, so what you need to do in this sheet is you need to solve these three questions in column one, two, and three. So in one, the question number one, in two, the two, and so on. So you can see on top the column number one. So you have to solve. Go to left side and you'll be able to see the data. Scroll
Oh,
down
there it
there.
is.
Yeah.
Okay. Department sales and to be 10% of salary amount.
Shall I help you?
Give me just one more second.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure.
All right, I figured it out.